What do you say?
I know what I forgot.
What'd you
forget? My ski goggles. Test those up. I ain't never fucking done them.
And your poles?
Oh, it's my goggles.
You need a harness for that? Get your poles going and goggles. Huh? What do you think?
I'll do it.
Snowshoes, friggin' poles.
That's what the skis.
Oh, skis. All right. You try it out first.
Yeah, find some.
Ooh, it gets deep. Drop off like a whole foot right there. I'm just in a thermal. What is it, 18 right now? 18 degrees Fahrenheit, boys. And girls, and ladies, little ones, everybody watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends, share with your teachers, share with your teachers and your administrators, military veterans, military, active military. Message me if you have any questions. You want to go hard and go camping with me? Let me know.